You guys think of this beautiful headband wig?
Hey!
Hi everybody, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review. And it's also a tutorial because I'm gonna show you how I style this super cute headband wig. I got it from Julia Hair. Here is their website. I will link everything in the description box down below, including the link to this wig in particular that I am showing you. It's the new headband wig that is pretty much going around everywhere. I've seen a bunch of videos, I've seen a bunch of tutorials on it, and I was super excited to try it. So this is the headband wig. It's no glue, no lace, and I got it in the color, it's a natural color, and it is 18 inches. I will put everything in the description box down below, as well as the link, the direct link to this hair from Julia Hair. Make sure you check them out. And let's jump right into this tutorial. Okay, now let's start. So in the bag, which I'm gonna show you right here, you get the wig. You also get two headbands, a pink one and a blue one. They're floral and pretty. And you also get a wig cap. That's how everything comes in the bag. And you also get a free pair of eyelashes just in case you want to use them. So let me show you how I'm going to style the wig. Now the wig conforms to the nice little netting that it's in. So when you put it on, it's not going to look as wavy and cute and pretty. Now this wig, you can use it with heat tools. So like you can use it with a flat iron, or you can use it with a curling iron. I'm gonna use my straightener to create curls if I don't like the way that it looks, which I'm pretty sure I'm probably not. So I'm gonna use my straightener to create the curls. This is a headband wig, as I mentioned in the outset, and I got it in an 18 inch. So let me show you how I'm going to put it on and style it. So first, I already shampooed, conditioned, air dried my hair, and then I lightly blew it out because, well, when you're putting your hair underneath a wig, it has to be as flat as possible. Now, because I'm going to curl this wig more than likely, it doesn't have to be super flat, especially toward the back. So I'm gonna do like a really low bun and see if that works, and then put the stocking cap on, style my baby hairs, and then put the wig on and see. Let me just pull my hair. Sorry, I have a mirror here. I'm gonna just pull my hair back into a low ponytail. I'm gonna try and keep it as smooth and as low as possible because I'm going to style these baby hairs in the front. I like styling the baby hairs in the front with a headband wig. I've been wearing it now for like the past week since I've gotten it. I like styling my baby hairs in the front because I feel like it makes the headband wig look more natural and believable, if you will, and it'll blend well. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I think that's pretty flat for the most part. I will definitely list everything that I am using in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. And if you have any questions, definitely just put it in the comments section down below and I will definitely respond to you all. Okay. Trying to keep this as flat as possible. Let me put this bobby pin. So it flattens my hair. That should be good. All right, now for the wig cap. Stretch this out. I don't know, wig caps usually don't stay on my hair because I have so much freaking hair. I have so much hair. So I usually have the hardest problem with wig caps. Is there a wig cap that's like big enough for my head and to encompass all of my hair? I'm gonna leave that out for a bit because I'm gonna fix my baby hairs as I told you about. Yeah, I think that should be pretty good. I think it's as flat as I'm gonna get it with all this hair that I have. Now I am going to use wax stick for these baby hairs. I think it should work. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Then I have this little edge brush. I'm just gonna style them. I'll speed up certain parts, especially if it becomes like repetitive, because you guys, I'm sure, already know how to lay down your hairs and such. That side is okay. Now let's do this side. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of hairspray and I'm gonna tie the front down just so that my baby hairs stay down with this stocking that I use to tie down my edges. And I'm gonna tie it down. I'll leave it on for like 5 minutes and then I will take it off and show you how they look. I'm gonna start with this section here in the back. Pin this up. I already combed it out. I'm gonna pass it through just a little bit and curl it mostly toward the end. Like that. Ooh, cute. I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna go on to the next section. I don't want the curls too like Shirley Temple, really small. Like I don't want them really small. You know what I mean? Like I don't want them too small, but I don't want them too big either. It's this side done. Curls look pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and continue to speed through this side. That's it. This is how it looks. Don't these curls look so pretty? Oh my God, I love them. Anything you need to go over, just feel free to go over it. So let me do this part right here. There we go. Don't they look so pretty? You could lightly run your fingers through them just to break up the curl a little bit, just so that it's not too like curly. And of course, throughout the day, it's gonna like drop, I'm pretty sure. So this is how it looks. Let me turn around. I'm gonna try and turn around. Hopefully this comes out good, show you what the back looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. I absolutely love this wig. Now let me wrap up this review. Okay, that is it for this video and this review as well as the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love this headband wig. It is perfect for a quick, easy, if you want to just hurry up, get out the door in the morning and you don't have time to do your hair. This is perfect for you. This is definitely perfect for me. Even though I'm not going anywhere, and even if I have to work from home, I'm working from home. If I need to get on a Zoom call or if I need to do a Zoom meeting, this is perfect. You just style it, leave it, and put it on. Throw on a nice cute headband and go. And I also love the different headband options. And you can wear like something pink with something like, I'm wearing pink today, so that's why I wore a pink headband. But if you want to wear like a blue outfit, and you can wear it with the blue headband, like you can mix and match. And that's also what I love. I love variety and I love to be able to mix up my headbands. And the wig is definitely, I absolutely love it. It is pricey, but if I find a more affordable option, then I'll definitely let you all know of a more affordable option. I'll update you in another video. So that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me and my brand, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and you click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload 2 days a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, but I'm gonna throw in an additional video on Fridays, so stay tuned for that. Any video suggestions you want to see, don't forget to drop them in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about headband wigs. Have you ever heard of them? Are you interested in purchasing them? Let me know in the comment section down below. I love to hear what you all think. Thank you all so much for watching again, and I will check you out very, very soon. Bye.